Hello everyone, let us see about types of chemical reactions. This video will be helpful for school students as well as college students as well as for competitive examination. Let us go into the video. There are 5 types of chemical reactions which we come across in the organic chemistry. First reaction is substitution or displacement reaction. Second one is addition reaction. Third one is elimination reaction. Fourth one is rearrangement reaction. Fifth one is oxidation and reduction reaction. Let us see about substitution reaction. It is also called as displacement reaction. Substitution reaction means it is replacing of one atom or group from a molecule by a different atom or a group. For example, here I have given 2 reactions. In the first reaction, when we react methanol with hydrogen bromide, methyl bromide will be formed and water will be released. Here the OH group is replaced by a bromide ion. And the second reaction is formation of nitrobenzene. Benzene here reacts with the nitronium ion. This nitronium ion is formed from the nitrating mixture. That is, nitrating mixture is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and then concentrated sulfuric acid. So when the benzene reacts with the nitronium ion, a hydrogen atom from the benzene ring is replaced by the NO2 plus ion and it forms nitrobenzene. The next reaction is addition reaction. Addition reaction is nothing but simply adding a molecule to a compound or to a molecule. That is, only the double bonded compounds and the triple bonded compounds will undergo this addition reaction. That is, the unsaturated molecules only takes place in the addition reaction. For example, here I have given ethylene. Ethylene reacts with the hydrogen bromide to form ethyl bromide. So one hydrogen is added to one carbon atom and a bromide is added to another carbon atom. Simply in the double bond, one pi bond breaks and the addition reaction takes place. Next reaction is elimination reaction. Elimination reaction means it is a reverse of the addition reaction. That is, it will involve the loss of some atoms or groups from the molecule and it forms an unsaturated molecule, that is a multiple bonded compound. For example, here I have taken ethyl bromide and then here we have indicated the molecule which is going to be eliminated in the pink color. This ethyl bromide reacts with the KOH to form ethylene. Here one hydrogen atom and the bromide ion is eliminated. That is, a proton is removed and the bond will be shifted between the carbon and it forms ethylene molecule. Next reaction is a rearrangement reaction. Rearrangement reaction means just the migration of a functional group from one atom to the another atom in a molecule. So I have given one example here. Here the X atom from the first carbon is migrated to the fourth carbon. This is one type of rearrangement. So the next example is conversion of a ketoxin into an amide. Here the nitrogen atom is rearranged and then it forms an amide. So the next reaction is oxidation and reduction reaction. Simply we will tell that the oxidation reaction means addition of oxygen will be involved and the reduction reaction means removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen will be involved. There are many examples for this reaction. We will see few examples. First is the example for reduction reaction. And this first one is catalytic hydrogenation. That is, a metal will be used as a catalyst. That is, particularly randy nickel, platinum and palladium will be do the drastic reductions, and these reactions are carried at elevated temperatures and in high pressures. So commonly unsaturated systems like alkenes, alkynes and aromatic compounds can be hydrogenated using this method, and then ketones and aldehydes also can be reduced by this method. And the next example is Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction. By this method, aldehydes and ketones can be reduced into their corresponding hydrocarbons. For Clemmensen reduction, the reagent used is zinc amalgam and HCl in presence of toluene. Here in the first example, I have given acetophenone. When this acetophenone was reacted with zinc amalgam and HCl in presence of toluene, the C double bond O group is converted into methylene group. And then in the second example, this is beta benzoyl propionic acid. Here the first carbon is alpha carbon and the second carbon is beta carbon. In the beta carbon, C double bond O group is attached, so it is called as beta benzoyl propionic acid. It reacts with the zinc amalgam and HCl to form gamma phenyl butyric acid. And in this reaction, a ketone reacts with hydrogen in presence of water to form a hydrazone, and then in turn it finally gives alkane. So the C double bond O group is converted into a methylene group. And then this fourth reaction is an example using the lithium aluminum hydride, and then it reacts with the ketone and it reduces it into alcohol. That is, ketone is reduced into secondary alcohol. And the next example for a reduction reaction is nitroethane is converted into ethylamine. Here the reducing agent uses tin and HCl. And then in the next reaction, ketone reacts with the alcohol in the presence of this reducing agent to give alcohol. That is, the ketone is reduced into alcohol. And then oxidation reaction. Here the ethyl alcohol undergoes oxidation to form aldehyde, and then the aldehyde again oxidized to form acid. And then here ethylene molecule undergoes oxidation to form glycol, ethylene glycol. And in next example, ethylene undergoes oxidation in absence of water to form carbon dioxide and water. And in the final next example, this is butene, 1-butene. It undergoes oxidation to form propionic acid and then formic acid. I hope this video will be useful for everyone. Thank you, friends.